Mentor here. Today, I want to talk about how you can earn PayPal money online. With this method of making money online, you can earn up to, if not more than, $22 per hour. It's making money super fast. So this is going to be a really good video, guys. I'm really happy that you have subscribed. You've been hitting the like buttons. I really appreciate it. If you do like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. I see that a lot of you still have not subscribed, but you're still coming and watching the channel and videos. So please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It only helps this channel out more, and it makes me more motivated to put more content out for you guys. Now, if you have subscribed or you haven't, make sure that you hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. I've been trying to push them out as much as possible. We're looking at between 3 and 5 videos a week, teaching you new methods consistently and constantly of how to make money online. But if you're looking to quit your 9 to 5, you're really motivated to make a full-time income online, and you're ready to take the big step, hit the first link in the description below. It's my #1 recommendation for making money online. I really know that this is a proven method. It's going to work for you. You just got to click the link in the description below. Um, so getting right into this, guys, I am going to go to, I believe, 5 sites. I have them already pulled up of how you can make PayPal money online. And as I said before, you can earn up to, if not more than, $22 per hour, which is a lot of money to be sitting at home working online. So for the first site that we're going to go to, I'm going to go to a site called Babble Type, and it is a market research transcription site. So one thing you're going to need to do is be fluent in English. Now, all of these sites really require you to be fluent in English. They also have options for translators as well. So you can make a little bit extra money if you speak English as well as another language. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill this out really quick. You're going to apply for the role that you want to have, which is a translator and transcriptionist, and you're going to take yourself your quick test. So they're going to give you a test. They're going to ask you to transcribe a few different sample pieces that they already have picked out for you. And then it's as easy as that, guys. You're going to be making money immediately online. So Babble Type pays weekly through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, make yourself an email, go over to PayPal, and get yourself signed up. Now it's going to be a free sign up for PayPal. So if you have not done so, go make yourself one, get yourself signed up for Babble Type. Now, I'm showing you a few different websites because you're not going to always have work and transcription work for every single website. And if you want to make the most out of your time working online, I highly recommend you check out all of the websites that I'm talking about today. Definitely stay till the end of the video because there's going to be a website that you literally are going to get paid $5 just for signing up. So make sure you stay through the whole video. So the next site that we're going to go take a look at is Tigerfish. So Tigerfish is transcribing audio files like interviews, police interrogations, documentary, film footage, but they're going to have you do an application. And this application is going to consist of 15 minutes of sample audio files that they're going to ask you to subscribe or transcribe to. So I was looking on the site and I was digging and digging and digging, and I get frustrated easy, so I only dug for so long. These are all the sites that do use Tigerfish. Google, Vanity Fair, Wall Street Journal, so a bunch of them, Pinterest, as you can see, GE, Clorox, AT&T, Samsung, so they all recommend and use this site. The only thing that I couldn't find on the website itself was the actual application process. So I went to google.com, I typed in Tigerfish application, and I found that this is probably the only way that you can apply for them. So just go ahead, go to Google, type it in, and you will come to this page. And they're going to ask you to transcribe 3 audio files, it looks like. It says, don't rush, your transcriptions will be improved. they are looking for people who are going to be accurate with their transcriptions. So don't rush yourself. They're going to ask for your name, your phone number, your email, um, where you live, and then they're going to want to know about you. They're going to want to know if you have any specialized vocabulary for medical, technology, legal, or finances. They're going to want to know what language you're going to be fluent in. And then they want to know what your availability is because they want to be able to get you work and get you making money as quick as possible. So definitely check out Tigerfish. Check out the site before you just go and apply. Make sure that it's something that's going to fit you. And then if you decide that this website is going to be a right fit for you, you're going to want to go to Google, you're going to type in Tigerfish and application process, and it will pop up. You just got to do a little digging and looking, guys. So off to the next site, we are going to go to Rev.com. I'm all over the place. Sorry, guys. There we are, Rev.com. So Rev.com is a really fun site. They pay weekly through PayPal, and they pay very, very well. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you are going to become a freelancer. What I like about being a freelancer is you can create flexible work schedules. So you don't have to let them know what your availability is or anything of that nature. You can work when you want to. You can choose from hundreds of jobs. You get to pick and choose what jobs you want to do versus the jobs that just don't interest you. And then they do weekly payouts via PayPal. So if I can't say it enough, if you haven't done so already, go and create yourself a PayPal account with your email. So once you become a freelancer, you got to fill all this out, and it's going to be a little bit of an application process. You are going to become a transcriptionist. So you're going to listen to audio videos, and you're going to write down what you're hearing. You're going to accurately type what's being said and label speakers. I'm assuming if it's the male speaker, you're going to write that versus the female speaker in the audio file that you're going to be transcribing, but I'm not 100% sure what label speakers is, I got to be honest. A captioner. Now, they make a little bit of more money versus the transcriptionist. The transcriptionist, their range of pay is between 36 cents per audio minute and up to 65 cents per audio video minute. So a captioner can make between 45 cents per audio video minute up to 75 cents. So if you're able to do the captioner, I highly recommend that you try that, but they are going to compensate you for the difficulty in the job itself with a little bit higher pay. So you're going to watch a video, you're going to accurately type what's being said, creatively convey sounds, and sync typed audio with the video. So this one's going to be a little bit harder. But definitely check it out. That's something you can do. I highly recommend it. Now, if you know a foreign language as well as being fluent in English, the Subtitler is going to be where the money is at. They make between $1.50 to $3 per audio video minute. So there's a huge jump there if you are fluent in 2 different languages, if not more languages. So you're going to take a quick quiz to demonstrate your English language skills as well as your grammar. Guys, you've got to be good at grammar. I know your mama probably told you to pay attention in school, but this is where it really counts. You want to submit your transcription or caption and sample, which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. So once you're done, proofread it, make sure that your grammar looks right, that things are spelled right, and things of that nature. And if you meet the requirements, you're able to register to start earning. Now, the one thing I've noticed with Rev.com is not everybody is going to be able to be a freelancer. They're a little bit picky. So if Rev.com does not work for you, there are 2 other sites, and one of them is called Transcribe Me. So Transcribe Me is another transcriptionist freelancer site. So you are going to get to this page, you can browse through it really quick, take a look at it. You're going to have freedom and flexibility of working on your own time. There's no experience or upfront investment. It's going to be free to sign up. But what you're going to do is you're going to come here and join as a transcriptionist, and this is where it will bring you. So the top rated best work from home site. So they have really good reviews and recommendations to try this one. We pay more than anyone as well. So definitely get yourself signed up for Transcribe Me. Um, they pay between $15 to $22 per audio hour. So you can make up to $22 per audio hour, which is crazy. So the top monthly earning is $2,200, and the average monthly earning, that's the one that's doing it full time, which is a great full time work from home, no experience necessary pay. You don't need a college degree. You just need to be able to listen and type what you're hearing. Make sure that your grammar's correct, your punctuation looks right. Now, the average monthly earning is about $250. I'm assuming that's because a lot of people do that in their spare time. This is not their full-time means of making money online. They probably have clicked through my link down in the description, but you know. So you can earn, if you want to just do this on your spare time, about $250 a month, which is pretty crazy. That's probably like a week's worth of groceries in our house. So that would definitely help most people out. So definitely take a look at Transcribe Me. The last site that I promised to talk to you about is Remo Tasks. Now, Remo Tasks is you can make money online doing tasks. We are mainly, for today's purposes, going to focus on audio transcription. There it is. But there are other things that you can do on here. Now, this is the site that I told you I'm going to leave a code, a referral code in the description below. If you just sign up for this site, they automatically give you $5. Now, they're going to give me $5 soon. I'd really appreciate it if you use my referral code. But no matter what, they're going to give you $5 just for signing up for their site, which is one of the perks of staying through the whole video. So here are some of the tasks that they have. They have image and animation, drawing boxes around various objects to help determine where it is. How easy is that? Categorization, helping identify keywords that describe images and what's in an image. So they have a bunch of different ones. They have comparison, data collection, but for audio transcription is the one that we're going to be focusing on today. So definitely check this out. They have a boatload of taskers with amazing reviews. There's no minimum amount of hours that you can work a week, and they pay each week through PayPal. This is going to be available for you worldwide. The only requirement that they have is that you are fluent in English. So you can't BS them, guys. If you're not fluent in English, they're going to know, because you're going to have to apply for it, and they're going to have you do a quick application test process. So make sure if you are applying that you are fluent in English, especially if you're somewhere overseas where English might not be your native language. So you're going to sign up, you're going to take exams, you're going to work, and you're going to get paid via PayPal every single week. And if you sign up through my link in the description below, you'll get $5 just for signing up. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun for me to make. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, please, please. Also, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. All the subscribers make me super happy, so I'd love to see some more subscribers after you've watched this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. Like I said, guys, I'm trying to push out as much content as possible. I want to see you guys making money online. But if you are ready to take the big step and quit your job and be a full-time online worker, my number one recommendation for doing this is going to be the first link in the description below. Please make sure you check that out if you're really serious about becoming a full-time employee worker online. If you're tired of your job, you hate your boss, you don't like waking up and doing the 9 to 5, definitely click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.